Welcome students, I am teaching you NCERT class 6 science chapter 4 sorting material into groups. Okay, so today we will going to learn about properties of material. Now what is properties of material? Okay, so what is the purpose behind every object? Okay, so that why we are drinking water, and that water, okay, why that water is kept in bottle, glass. Okay, what is the reason behind it? What is the purpose? Why these objects are using for that purpose only? Okay, so let us understand what is the properties of material. Have you ever wondered why a tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth? So tumbler means, see, on this is bottle. Okay, you can clearly see that this is bottle. Okay, this is glass, and this is mug. Okay, so now I have shown that three objects. Okay, like bottle, glass and mug. There are three objects. It is known as tumbler because in that we can put liquid thing like water, juices, milk. These are liquid things which you can put in this tumblers. Okay, like bottle, glass, mug. So recall our experiment with the piece of cloth in chapter 3, and also keep in mind that we generally use a tumbler to keep a liquid. Therefore, would it not be silly if we were to make a tumbler out of cloth? If you want, here it is written that why we are not using tumbler with a piece of cloth. Okay, why we are not making tumbler with a piece of cloth? Okay, so here it is written that हम tumbler को means the objects which I have shown, that glass, then bottle, then mug, if it is made with the piece of cloth, then what will happen? This is basically the curiosity. Okay, कि हम इस liquid चीज़ को खाली इन tumblers में ही क्यों रखते हैं? What is the reason behind it? Okay, so now let us see some activities. This is piece of cloth. Okay, this is cotton handkerchief. Okay, so if I am making a tumbler into this, then what will happen? Let us see. So students, you can clearly see that with the help of this cotton cloth I have made one type of tumbler. Okay, so I am putting here water. One second, So students, you can clearly see that this is tumbler, okay, made with a piece of cloth. Now I am pouring water into this. Okay, so you can clearly see that I am pouring. Okay, so see what happens, it just drain out. See, water इसमें से निकलने लगा है. Okay, see, this is tumbler which is made with the steel. Okay, with the material of steel. In this there is water, and this is tumbler which is made with a piece of cloth. So when I am pouring water into this, what is happening? See, water are draining out. Okay, water इसमें से निकलते जा रहा है. So what is the reason? Because it is made with a piece of cloth. Cloth cannot take water or any liquid things. ओके, ये अपने अंदर लिक्विड थिंग्स को नहीं ले सकता है. ओनली इट कैन अब्जॉर्ब सम पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर. ओके, so now so students, with this activity you will get idea that why the tumbler is made with the piece of with the material of that glass, then steel, plastic. Okay, and why it is not made with the piece of cloth. Okay, so similarly it would not be wise to use paper like material for cooking vessels. Okay, like we are cooking in a material or in an object, so material which is used in that object, it is steel, aluminium. Okay, cooking vessels are basically made with the material that is iron, steel, aluminium. Okay, it is not made with the piece of cloth. Okay, see, this is basically a cooking vessel. Okay, this is a pen. Okay, and it is made with the material that is aluminium. It is not made with the piece of cloth. Okay, why? Because cloth will burn. Okay, cloth क्या हो जाएगा अगर आप उसे गैस पे रखोगे, कोई cloth का vessel है, okay, so वो क्या हो जाएगा, जल जाएगा. Okay, it will get burned. So students, we see then that we choose a material to make an object depending on its properties. So here it is clearly written that we are making objects. Okay, we are using materials to make an object depends on their properties and the purpose for which the object is to be used. Like this mug is used for drinking milk, water, etc. Okay, this pan is used for making some tea or sauce. Okay, this glass is used for drinking water. Okay, this plastic bottle is used for keeping water, and this piece of cloth is used for absorbing sweat, okay, or cleaning something. So every object has a purpose behind making this object, okay, and using material into this is depending on the purpose of objects. Okay, so what are all the properties of material that would be important for their usage? Now here it is one question, that what are all the properties of materials that would be important for their usage? Okay students, so here it is written that what is the importance of material and what is the purpose behind the usage of their of this material. Okay students, like here it is written that material usually look different from each other. Like this glass, okay, this is different from this bottle. Okay, all the objects which I am showing you, all these objects are different from each other. Okay, because materials are different, objects are different, shape and size, properties, purpose, everything is different from each other. Okay, like wood looks very different from iron. Okay, iron appears different from copper or aluminium. Okay, so this saucepan is basically made with the material of aluminium, and this plate, okay, you can clearly see that this is plate, okay, which is made with the copper. So both the objects are different from each other because materials are different. Okay, the materials which has been used for making these objects are different. Okay, in this there is copper. Okay, so that's why it is yellow in color. Okay, like brown in color. Okay, and in this aluminium has been used, that's why it is white in color. Okay students, so every objects are different from each others because materials are different, shape and size are different, colors are different, as well as material as well as usage and purpose are different. So at the same time there may be some similarities between iron, copper and aluminium that are not there in wood. Okay, wood, the material wood is different from these three things because iron, copper and aluminium are basically the these three are, there is one similarity, then these three materials, the objects which is made from these three materials are basically used for cooking purpose. Okay, so the purpose are same. Iron, there is iron, kadhai, okay, then copper and aluminium, these three the objects that has been used, the purpose behind this three material are same. Okay, like cooking, but that are not there in wood. Okay, wood purpose is different. Basically wood is used for making furnitures, bed, chair, table, this pencil, etc. Okay, that's why wood is vast and different, everything is different from this three. Okay, there is one similarity between these three material, that is the objects which is made from this material are basically used for cooking. That's why purpose is same, okay, but the look wise it is different, shape wise it is different, okay, but there is one similarities. But when we are comparing with the wood is vast different from these materials. I hope that you have understood that what is properties of material, okay, and with this activity which I have shown you, okay, you get an idea that what is the purpose behind materials and every objects, why the shape and size of every object and material is different, okay, because the purpose is different. So if you want to use any object, first of all you have to understand that what is the purpose behind this objects. So students, if you have any query, any question, you can ask me without any hesitation. Okay students, thank you and keep going on. Thank you students.